I want you to close your eyes and think back to a moment in your life where you felt real gratitude. May that be when you finally felt healthy and can breathe out of your nose after a long week of being sick. Or after getting that A+ in the class that you worked so hard for throughout the entire year. Or maybe it's even after being able to see after you come out of the Blah Museum in Israel. Feeling lucky to have a friend who always checks up on you. I can speak for myself when I say that that moment feels incredible. I feel full of light, lucky, and touched. I feel like nothing can get me down, as I just received the greatest gift. I am filled with a sense of love and wanting to enjoy every day of my life and give back. It's a beautiful experience, and believe it or not, it's something that you can practice whenever you want. Of course, Judaism and the Chachamim are way ahead of us. They insert gratitude throughout our day, from the moment we wake up and open our eyes and say Modem, to the time we close our eyes at night. And of course, gratitude and appreciation is found all across the Tefillah. And today, we're going to focus on Birkat Modem in the Amidah. What does the Hebrew word Modem mean? So there's actually two meanings. The first, to think, but it also means to acknowledge. We are admitting to the fact that it's not just ourselves and our own capabilities that bring us happiness and good in this world. We need other people and we need God. In this blessing, we are thanking Hashem for giving us life, giving us our souls, and sustaining us. Wow, is that powerful. How often do we think about how lucky we are to breathe and be alive? Probably only after we encounter death or a sickness, but it doesn't have to be that way. We can pay attention to the reminder right here every day. And yes, we have struggles, things that bring us down in life, and that's okay and normal, unfortunately. But we also have our life, and it's up to us how little or how much we appreciate it, and what we do with each day, and with each breath we're given. Hashem is our rock, the rock of our lives, and the shield of our salvation. It's unfathomable how to even thank someone for that. But all we can do is try our best. Use the gifts we are blessed with for good. Make someone else smile today. Continue learning and sharing Torah. One of the lines in this beracha is "Va'anisecha shebechol imanu v'anifotecha tovatecha shebechol et erev v'boker v'sehoraim." This line, we're thanking God for the miracles and favors He does at all times, evening, morning, and midday. I think this points to a very true quote by Albert Einstein. There are two ways to live your life. One, as though nothing is a miracle, and the other is as though everything is a miracle. I repeat, one, as though nothing is a miracle, and two, is as though everything is a miracle. Do you ever stop and ponder about the nature of your existence? It's crazy. I think about myself and how so much goes into my life, in my head, my thoughts, my feelings, half I which don't even know how it works, the intricacies of each cell and organelle, and I'm just one person. Then there's other people, some who know so many different languages and have different talents and traits and unique qualities. Then there's animals and insects and nature and the ocean and space. Do you know how exact everything needs to be? The distance the sun needs to be from planet Earth in order for us to exist? And the sun is just one star in the sky. It's crazy, and a lot of my faith comes from thinking about this. And this is just all my mind can think about. The gratitude and awe that this picture can fill you with is unbelievable. There are miracles all around us, and I'm lucky and humbled to be alive. It's no coincidence that it is in this beracha where we insert Al Hanisim, thanking God for all the miracles and salvation He brings us. And something else is unique about this beracha too. There is something called Modem de Rabbanan. It is the only blessing in the Amidah when the person answering must say something different from what the Chazan says. And that is because each person must thank God for himself. It is not something that another can do for you. What one person is thankful for is not necessarily what another one is. It is subjective, and so we each must do so on our own. I want to conclude with this. Imagine someone just saved your life. Crazy. How thankful would you be? Now, I want you to try to tap into that every time you say Modem in the Amidah. Thank you.